Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. One thing that can happen time to time is there are some not so savory people in the world. As you can see from this picture, we installed a catalytic converter protection shield on this particular vehicle, which is a Toyota Prius. Seems like these people that are stealing converters seem to favor the Priuses for whatever reason. We have replaced a few converters that have been stolen off of these cars over the years. This particular company offers this shield that bolts right up that protects your converter from being cut out. Makes it a lot harder for the thieves to get in there and cut out what can be a very expensive replacement part. So if you're concerned that this might happen to you and you want to get some additional protection for your vehicle and make sure your converter doesn't get stolen, please feel free to give us a call. We could definitely look into a company that can provide that safety feature for you. Thanks for watching the video, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share the video so other people can get the security that they are looking for as well.